Hi, I'm Chief Curator Jed Morse.
I'm Nic Nicosia.
And this is Nic Nicosia Everyday Surreal. Visitors to Nic Nicosia Everyday Surreal are greeted by this enormous sculpture, which is titled Big Hands. It was an enlargement of casts of the hands of the artist. What's extraordinary to me is how it retains that humanity, even on this scale. The hands are the thing that distinguish us as a species. They also distinguish us as individuals through our fingerprints. Even where the hands are so much larger, there's that strange shift in perspective. As you walk in with enormous hands confronting you, you're trying to figure out, what does this mean? What is this figure telling me? Is it telling me to stop? Is it showing me I'm here, I'm present? And it's that ambiguity that I think draws people in and gives them a sense of the kind of whimsy and wonder that they'll discover inside the exhibition. The core of the exhibition deals with a series of work made in 2010 and 2011 called In the Absence of Others. This marks an important juncture in Nicosia's career where he started to make sculpture and incorporate it into his photographs. The one thing that's fascinating is the way that they're portrayed in the photographs in these kind of nowhere settings. These feel set apart from daily life, which gives more power to the emotional character of those sculptures. Around 2015, Nic started to return to drawing, but this time as a meditation on time and distance and trying to wrap his arms around the ineffable and inconceivable. He returned to a practice of blind contour drawing, which was a way to record a really impactful moment of seeing the Picasso sculpture exhibition in New York. This helped connect eye, mind, and hand more fluidly. Nic felt like it freed him to create without any kind of restraints or preconceived notions. Returning to sculpture, he created a series of work called Dreamboats, which bring to mind the surrealist sculpture by artists like Max Ernst and Joan Miro, because they carry that same funny and whimsical tone. Nic's work over the last 25 years starts to take on a life of its own, inhabiting space in ways that works of art often don't. Through the Homemade Story series of photographic images, we get a chance to understand how that works within the artist's mind as well as his home. The images are photographs that he collages over, draws on, and then rephotographs. The result leaves us unsure of what is real and what is not, as if the imaginary world has come to life before our eyes. One of the things that I love about the show in general is how something at first glance looks like a whimsical record of everyday life has nonetheless these deeper touchstones about life and death, beginnings and endings, sense of how we make meaning in our lives.